Hello, future traders. How are you? I'm Saurav, and from the Team Zolyed, I welcome you all to our channel. So, friends, today's topic is hammer and shooting star. And why hammer and shooting star are so important in stock market, you will be knowing in this episode only. But before starting this episode or before starting this segment, I just want you to subscribe the channel, like and share the content. And yes, the thing which I always tell you, that you should not forget your dream and your ambition, because universe will deliver each and everything whatever you desire and whatever you aspire for, because it's your life and you have to make a choice. Just take it an example of trading or take any other example. Universe will definitely going to deliver each and everything, but you just need to have a clear thought and a clear path that how you will be going to reach to that level. So friends, let's start this topic, and the foremost we will go to our screens and understand the more beauty of hammer and shooting star. So let's go to the screen. So friends, I welcome you all to the screen, and this is basically the Reliance Industries daily chart. All right. So just imagine what will be the shape and what will be the size of hammer as well as the shooting star, and why hammer and shooting star are so important, and why it is so relevant if you are doing trading, and if you understand and if you want to place your strategy according to your trading. Why hammer and shooting star plays a very big role while strategizing your position, your next move for trading. All right. So friends, let's first understand that what is the shape of an hammer. All right. See friends, this is a hammer. All right. This is a hammer. Okay. This is a black hammer. This is also a black hammer. This is a white hammer. All right. And this is also a hammer. Okay. So we have now 5 examples that what is the shape and size of hammer. So let's now understand it in a blank page, and let's understand more about it. All right. So let's go to our blank page. So friends, now you will be seeing that a stock has started at 100. Okay. A day started with 100, and something happened. Something big happened in the market. And what happened? The stock started going down, 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 and down. It went up to 60. Okay, it means that time bears were in control. All right. So after that, what happened? After that, something big, something miracle happened. Bulls took the charge, and what they did, the market started going upwards. Okay, upwards, upwards, and upwards, and it went up to here. Okay, so this is the shape of an hammer. Okay, so this is the shape of an hammer. So you can count it as a white hammer, or you can count it as a green color hammer. But yes, what is the meaning of black hammer or the red hammers? All right. So okay, let's understand that at first. See, this is a stock which started at 100. Okay, same way it went up to 60. Okay, it went up to 60, and after that something miracle again happened, and the stock started going rising, 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 and up to here it went. Okay, so this is the meaning of a black hammer, means it went up to 90. Okay, so this is a black hammer. Okay, this is a black hammer. Okay, so this is the basic meaning of an white hammer and black hammer. But whenever we are trading, we always look out for the green hammer. Yes, I know that why the black hammers are still existing, because we have to see the trend, we have to understand the trend, we have to strategize our next move. That's why we always see the black hammer also, and we always see the white hammer as well as the green color hammer. But the most important part, we always give more importance to green color hammer. Okay, so this is the meaning of hammer, and this is the shape and size of hammer. So now when the hammer appear, okay, see, there is a trend, there is a down trend which is happening in trading.
or in that particular day. So after that, what happened? A hammer appeared. Okay, a hammer appeared. Okay, this is basically a white color hammer. And then what happened? Then what happened? The market started going down, high, high, and high. Okay. Whenever a hammer appears in the trend, it means the trend will going to go high. Okay. It will always going to get high. Okay. So that's what you need to understand. Okay. So let's understand it in a separate column. Okay, friends. As you can see, this is a red candle. Okay, so it went down, down, and down. This is basically a downtrend. Okay, and then a hammer appears, which is of green color, and we always buy above the high. Okay, and we always keep our stop loss below the low. And then what happened when the hammer appeared? What happened? The stock started going high. Okay, this is what happened. Okay, so please write it down. Five important points. First point is hammer can be red or green. Okay, hammer can be red or green or white or black. But read the fifth point. Green hammer have more significance. We always give more importance to the green hammer or the white hammers. All right. And the second point is it always appears at the bottom of downtrend. Whenever a trend is going down means whenever a trend is going down, whenever a hammer appears, it means the trend will going to get high. Okay. And it has small or no shadow. Okay. It will be having a very small shadow, but it will be best if there is no shadow. Okay. And fourth point is color is not important, but yes, color is not important, but yes, we still give more importance to green hammer. Okay, green color hammer or white color hammer. All right. So let's get down to the live chart again and let's see the trends. Okay. Okay. So friends, as you will be seeing, this was a trend. Okay, this was a trend, and this hammer appeared again, and it went high. Okay, it again went high. This is a trend which is happening. Okay, this was a trend. Okay, these things are happening. This is a basic trend which you need to understand whenever you want to start trading and whenever you want to make your fortune in stock market. Okay, friends. Now let's understand what is shooting star. So for that, let's go to some other thing like ITC. Let's go for ITC. We just want to understand the process. All right. So, okay, what we need to search? We need to search for the shooting star, and let's go to Sunform also, and let's understand. Okay. So friends, as you can see, this is a shooting star. This is also a shooting star, and this is also a shooting star, and this is also a shooting star. Okay, you just need to understand the shape and sizes right now. Okay, so let's get down to the blank page. And okay, so now you tell me what is the meaning of shooting star. Okay, what is the relevance of shooting star? See friends, shooting star is basically, suppose a stock started, we started a share at 100. Okay, that day market went high, market went high, market went high, but something happened. Bears took the charge, bears took the control, and what happened? The market started going down. Okay, and it went up like this. Okay, this is a white color hammer. Okay, but what is the relevance of black color hammer? Suppose it went up to 120. Just 1 second, friends. This is a 100 rupees share. Okay, it went up to 120. Okay, it went up to 120, but again something happened, the miracle happened, and it went down. Okay, so it is our black shooting star. Okay, black color shooting star. So it went up to 90. Okay, so that's why it's a black color shooting star. And why it is a white color shooting star? Because it went down up to 105. Okay, so let's understand more about it. Suppose a trend is going high, okay, a trend is rising, but what happened? There was a shooting star appeared. All right, this is a shooting star, it appeared, and what happened? It started going down, 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 and down. Okay, this is what happens whenever shooting star appears on trading, or whenever you are trading, whenever shooting star appears, this is what happens. All right, so you need to understand that. Okay, so let's get down to over here. Okay, see, a trend was rising, rising, and rising, and the red shooting star appeared. And we always keep the stop loss above the high, and we always short sell below. Okay, this is the point which you need to understand. Whenever a green candle appears, we always buy above the high and always keep the stop loss lowest to the low. And whenever a red candle appears, we always keep the stop loss above the high and we short sell below the low. Okay, and this is the first point, always at the top of the trend. Color is not very important. Upper shadow double than body, and shooting star can be green or red, very small or no shadow. Red shooting star is more important. Okay, so the first point is always at the top of the trend. Okay, this is always at the top of the trend, and whenever a shooting star appears, it always falls, the trend always goes down. And as we always know, color is not very important, but still in shooting star we always give more important to the red shooting star. Okay, and the fifth point is very small or no shadow, and the fourth point is shooting star can be green or red, and third point is upper shadow double than the body. Okay, like this is the upper shadow, and this has to be double than the body. Okay, this is the meaning of shooting star. Okay friends, so now you have understood the main fundamentals of shooting star as well as hammer. Okay, now you understood what is hammer and what is a shooting star. So what you need to do, this is just an advice, take it or leave it. You need to practice this hammer and shooting star for like 5 to 10 times. Draw it in a white paper or draw it in your tab or whatever things you are using. Just do it. This is the advice, free of cost. Please use it because it will really going to help you a lot. Okay, so as you can see, this is a shooting star. All right, this is a shooting star, and what happened? Trend went up, and whenever a shooting star and then the trend goes down. Okay, when then the trend goes down, and see over here the market was going down, 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 and down. Then the hammer appears, and then what happens? The market goes high. Okay, this is the only difference between shooting star as well as hammer, and it is a very powerful concept which you really need to understand for your future growth. All right friends, so I will meet you in the next segment, and let's see what is there for us in the store. Okay, thank you.
So friends, now you have understood that what is the meaning of hammer and shooting star and why hammer and shooting star plays a vital role in stock market, and how things changes whenever a hammer and a shooting star appears on the chart. So you need to understand that, and that was all about it in the video. And friends, the most important part which I am telling you from very long time, that we have started our specialized course. All right, fees are very nominal. There is a link which is given in our description box. Just go over there and enroll yourself, and yes, you will understand the beauty, and you will going to explore the more beauty of stock market which you really need to understand. All right, there will be a lot of topic like stop loss, re-entry, back testing, live markets, what is hammer and shooting star. There will be a more described version. All right, so just go over there and enroll yourself. And friends, the two things which I always tell you is, first, trust your instincts, and second, discipline. If you are disciplined, then you will going to fetch a lot of money in trading. And yes, one more thing which I always forget to tell you is, Stock market is a deep ocean of secret. The more you go deep, the more beauty you will explore about stock market. So understand these bases and enter into stock market. You will analyze, you will observe, you will see a lot of things. It will be an enjoyable time for you. And yes, there will be no boss for you. You will be handling your own money. You will be handling your own life just by your own self. So understand it. All right. So thank you, friends, and I will be meeting you in the next video. And up to that time, just take care of yourself. And yes, the most important part, take care of your dream and your ambition. Thank you.